in conclusion, we can say that both companies are really good, and if you want to select between them, it's better to just simply try to see fees, to see commissions. Wise versus WorldRemit, which is better? Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video we're going to compare two different companies to transfer money with, like WorldRemit and Wise. We'll compare their apps, reviews, we'll find is it suitable for you to use Wise or WorldRemit, what company has lower fees and some exchange rates. So let's get started. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, because both companies are pretty good, but in some situations it's more suitable to use Wise or WorldRemit otherwise. So let's try to compare and let's try to find the difference. So basically both companies are for international money transfers. As you can see, you can find this information on the first page. We can send money, receive payments from abroad, check exchange rates, pay bills, or send money back to home. So both companies provide us the opportunity to interact with international transfers, and as you can see, we can easily find calculators on their main page. We just simply need to scroll down for a little to find it on Wise. So we can find these calculators here, and in order to compare them, firstly, of course, the main reason we are going to recognize what we'd like to use is how can we send more money, how can we get lower fees or best exchange rate. And if we are going to compare them, it could be really hard, because depends on what would you like to send. For example, dollars, like euros, pounds, where would you like to send. We can get different exchange rates. And what is interesting about Wise here on their website is that if we're going to, for example, select going to send from US dollars to Indian rupees, we have this option to compare prices. So we can click on compare, and after that we can find all the courses. So we have these companies with better rate, like Remitly, Western Union, XY, and we have Wise somewhere in the list, and then we have other companies. But for example, for WorldRemit, let's try to check will we have these current amount of money. So let's say we want to send $1,000, and we will receive this amount, and let's compare it with this one here. And as you can see, sometimes there could be differences, and I recommend you to check it by yourself. Do not trust these Wise compare plans, compare prices table, because as you can see, there could be some mistakes, because depending on the receiving method, depending on do you use it for the first time, because sometimes WorldRemit or Wise, they can have no fees for the first transfer. Also, if you're going to compare it, for example, where can you send it to from Wise or where can you send it to from WorldRemit, it depends on every single situation. Because, for example, for most users, both companies are similar. But for example, WorldRemit can send to some country, Wise cannot, and so on. So I recommend you just simply open both websites, and after that just simply check what rates will you have, and basically something like this. Other thing of how can we send our money. So as you can see, on the WorldRemit we can choose a receive method. So it could be bank transfer, airtime top up, and with the Wise we can use credit transfers, credit card transfers, bank transfers, and so on. So also, depending on what kind of receiving method would you like to choose, you can select between two different things. If you want to speak about reviews, we have Site Trust Pilot, and on the Wise we have 4.2 mark with number of reviews almost 200,000. And basically the same thing with WorldRemit, we have 82,000 and the average mark is 4.0. And it's pretty similar, so I don't think that one company is much better than another one. But what can we see that both companies, they try to reply for their negative reviews. It means that they try to solve problems as fast as possible. I think it's pretty cool because we have support, and both companies try to support their customers if they have some problems, which is like not that like every single company could have some troubles because it's like really hard to transfer money like internationally. So yeah, I just simply connect support if you have any questions, and you can definitely trust both companies. They will make a refund sometimes if you have some troubles. So yeah, if we want to speak about like their fees, you can see that fees depends on the like type of transfer country you want to send to, and basically we can see the total fees, for example in this case is like $8, and here we cannot see the like exchange rates or fees. So in order to find it, we need to click on continue, and here we can find like $3 in commission. Not that like high. If you want to compare their apps, I think it's like there are two ways of how to send money, through web version and through the app. Both companies have their apps. So for the Wise, we have like Google Play app and also App Store app. So nothing hard to find it. We just simply need to scroll down. And here we have these apps here, like Wise here and Wise there. And the same thing for WorldRemit. If you want to find them, just simply open the main page and here scroll down for a little to find like App Store and Google Play pages. So basically interface is quite the same. If you want to see, as you can see, we just simply need to select you want to send currency, where would you like to send, select method, and so on. The same thing is with Wise app. So there is no like huge huge effort to create transfer through the mobile app. You just simply need to connect the transfer you'd like to use, and after that it will be pretty easy for you to like set up transfer. And yeah, both companies provide us the opportunity to use support 24/7. We can contact them through email, we can contact them through social medias, and also like even call to them if it's necessary as for us. Also, what is interesting is that we have a help center for both companies, so we can find how we can send money to different pages, to different countries, and basically, yeah. So in conclusion, we can say that both companies are really good, and if you want to select between them, it's better to just simply try to see fees, to see commissions, to see exchange rates, and to see is it like available for you to send money to the country you want to send through for both apps. Otherwise you can choose like Wise or WorldRemit. There is no like big differences, but in some case there could be. Hope this video helped you out, so leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.